Welcome to our Adventure Miles. Hello everyone, welcome to Naxos. Right, so we just arrived in Bucharest. We took a hotel near the airport and we just arrived at the hotel. Left at 8 o'clock this morning to make it to the train station, about a 2.5 hour train ride and about a 20-minute walk to the unit. So here is the unit. And you walk in here, there's the kitchen obviously, everything you need. Stove, which is great, but we're probably not going to need it because we're going to go out for dinner tonight. Living room with a nice big, looks like a comfortable couch. And yeah, we got a balcony. So you got chairs and it's got air conditioning, which is nice. It's a 1-bedroom. It's a queen size bed. We got the lights off and the curtain closed in there because the air conditioner doesn't extend to the bedroom. So we're trying to cool down the unit. Well, we're here at the Bucharest airport, just about to board our flight to Athens. A little bit of a 20-minute walk to get to the airport. Security was smooth, took about 20 minutes to get through, and now we're just waiting for those people who know me know that I like to be here a few hours in advance, and right on course. It is 8 o'clock and our flight is at 9:50, so right on cue. The trip to Greece begins. So we arrived in Athens. We are taking the X96. It's an express bus at the port. So there's the lineup behind us. Sue's already in line, which is good. Got our tickets. It's 11 euros. And yeah, so that's the next part of the journey. Sue was just mentioning that it would have been 18 euros if we took subway.
And the metro.
But taking the bus only takes us 11 euros. So it's pretty. All right, we just got here to Athens and we got into our Gallery Suites hotel. And it's very, very nice. Sue walked in and said, very nice. Take some pictures. So here we go. So there's the bathroom, standard, but got a shower, which is nice. And then out here, there's the bedroom. There's the mirror, desk, bed with 2 end tables, a sitting area, and yeah, patio with 2 chairs. So really nice, you know, for one night, it's gonna be great. So. Hello everyone, we're on our way to Naxos. Who's going to stay here and make sure that the ship stays in the right direction?
I'm holding the seat, Sunny.
Yes, and I'll just walk around the ship. So this is where they direct you when you first get on. It's the back area. Lots of picnic tables, like chairs. So this is the back of this is kind of neat. It's a heated area. You don't feel the wind when you're outside. You're like in cafeteria, cheers again. So we're up on the top deck, just standing at the back of the ship as we leave Athens. Reserved seating. They told us to come in here, which we did. We actually sat right there, thinking this was the only seating area that you could be in. That's the way they explained it. So here's the center part of the ship, and they got some nice little tables here that you can sit in. Again, more reserved seats. Gift shop is open now that the boat is underway. And this is the reception area. Cafe. More seating area. Kind of a cafeteria, so you can get your burgers on if you want. Goodies burgers. But this is the area we're in. So you've got some reserved seats. You've got a bar and a little cafe thing. And you've got some seats here. And this is the front of the ship. You get all the weirdos sitting up here reading magazines. We made it to Naxos. There's our ship. And there's where we're going. This is Naxos town. So we just arrived here at our unit and it's wonderful. We're just about to do a room tour for you. but I thought I would show you the outside before we actually start. So this is our view from just out front. You can see the water is right there, the ferry is right there, and then the town is actually down this way. So when you walk in, this is our stairs to come down to our unit. We've got this nice little patio. Tina, thank you again for everything. So we just met our host. Her name is Tina. She owns this place. She's a professor in Athens teaching Greek theology. Yeah, we'll take you inside. Here is Sue, ready to show you around.
All right,
All right, come in. Yeah. We just arrived, so our bags are still out front.
Okay, so our lovely host left us lots of goodies. So there's chocolate, which I love, 2 different kinds here, and then I believe this is some sort of alcohol.
It is, and she made it.
Okay, and some little glasses to go with it. And then what was this?
I don't know.
Okay,
But
so
she was very
we're
proud
gonna
of
try
that.
it all though, and it was very nice of her to leave us some chocolates.
Yes.
So we're standing right now in the living room.
See outside, there's our air conditioner.
Yeah, and then we have the table for eating.
TV right across the way for YouTube watching.
Yeah, that's with a washing machine.
Fantastic.
And then the kitchen is right this way. Looks like it has everything. I haven't quite checked everything yet, but it does look pretty complete.
It's well stocked, and show what she left us in the fridge.
Oh my gosh.
So this is a nice welcome gift from Tina.
She left a whole bunch of food.
We got beer, we got eggs, all
Looks
local
like
stuff.
We got some cheese, very nice. Oh, and more cheese. Oh, no, this is meat.
Meat,
Okay.
yogurt.
Yeah, and some butter. This could be honey. I'm not entirely
Yep,
sure,
it
but
is.
it does look like honey. Anyways, she left us quite an assortment
2
of
big
things.
bottles of water, 2
Yeah.
cans of beer.
Very nice of her. Down here, we have the bathroom.
It's kind of neat. It's like you're in a little old stone bathroom, which is pretty cool. It's very basic. You got a shower though, got the toilet, so everything we need, shower and all. Got a bedroom. So the bedroom has a little desk and shelving. And the coolest part is the bed. There ain't no bed. It's basically a stone slab, which is kind of cool. And then yeah, with a queen size mattress, I believe.
And it has-
Very Greek style.
Yes, very Greek.
So fantastic. Any last words?
No, that's our unit.
So far, we're loving it, and
We just got here.
we literally just got here, so we're gonna close the doors, close the windows, turn on the air conditioning, and just relax.
Yeah.
Thanks again for joining us, and cheers for next. If you liked the video, please subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for watching.